Hey guys, so I am on my way to get lash extensions. I've never had them. I'm kind of excited to see if I like them because you guys know I wear lashes all the time. So I'm going to get them done from someone I was referred to through a client of mine. So I will let you guys know how it goes and I will show you what they look like after when they are done. So I am sitting in my car right now and it's like 96 degrees, but I wanted to show you guys like right after what the lashes look like. I'm a little sweaty, I'm a little moist, I'm a little damp, but they look so good. They look so like natural. I mean, not like natural, but like I've seen some people with them where they just look like a hot ass mess, but I like these. Like I love the fact that I'm gonna wake up with these. So I just took off my makeup and washed my face for the first time and I had to be like super careful to not get my oils by my eyes. It's gonna be an adjustment. It's definitely something to get used to, but you basically just have to be careful of your eye area, and I didn't put any oils like above here in this region here. Day one with lash extensions, and it looks like I just have really pretty, really natural lashes on. Definitely a few things to get used to as far as applying makeup, but overall I'm loving them. Hey guys, so it is Friday. I got these done on Monday now. So they were great for up north. I barely wore any makeup and I've only lost a few of them. Like they still look like so good. Still loving the lash extension. So we're almost a week in and they're still looking great. So I'm super excited about it. Hey guys, ignore my makeup free shiny freckly face. When I'm in the sun my skin gets very freckly, but we are a week in on our lashes. Still looking good. I did put a little bit of mascara on just the ends for work today, so it looks a little bit more noticeable, but I'm a week in, and so far so good. I've lost a couple. I noticed that one day after I had put some mascara on them, they started to feel really itchy and dry and kind of like irritating, and so I did wash them with a oil-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, everything-free cleanser. Like, it's awkward when you do it. They get all clumpy and gross and weird, and I'm like, oh my god, are they gonna go back to normal? But I brushed them, they were soft and perfect again, and went right back to normal. Hey guys, so I'm about to take my makeup off for the day, so I'm a little slimy. It's like 90 degrees outside, so ignore the grease and the shine. But I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going for my first fill in just a couple days. I did my first one in 2 weeks because I wanted to see how mine would wear, and I was worried I was gonna want to fill sooner than 3 or 4 weeks, but I want to show you guys. This is like styled for like a day where I actually did like somewhat of a face, but I wanted to show you guys. I just threw a little mascara on the ends of them, but it gives them a little more length, a little bit more style. I did do like a full glam face one day with them on, and I just had to be careful when I was removing stuff, but I honestly feel like I probably could go longer than 2 weeks. I could go at least 3 for sure, but I want them to be a little bit thicker, a little bit fuller, because without mascara on, they do look pretty thin now. So that's why I'm getting a fill in 2 weeks, because I'm going to have her do a little bit more volume, a little bit thicker, and then I feel like once I have that, then I'll be able to go longer, probably like 3 or 4 weeks, and just kind of see how it goes with that. But this is, you know, full 2 weeks. I'm about to go for my fill in the next day or so, but I'm still loving them. I have not put lashes on once. I haven't felt the need to. When I put mascara on, it makes them look a little more dramatic, which I like, and it's important to just get a oil-free mascara, and I've been using the Maybelline Great Lash, which was what I looked up online was like the top water-based mascara that's safe because you don't want to put oil near these. So I've been using that on days when I want it to look a little more done up, like I have a lash on, and it's been great for just making them like a little bit more dramatic. You just want to keep it towards the ends and not do it towards the base of the lashes where it's actually attached to your lash. So I want to show you guys how I wash my lashes. So this is the cleanser I've been using. It is Garnier oil-free, everything-free. And I just put a tiny bit between my fingers and literally just like rub it on the lashes. So I'm going to show you. So I take just a tiny amount. I get my fingers wet, and then I'll show you guys how I do it. And then just rinse it. This is what they look like after you wash them. They're gonna look like fucked up. I use toilet paper to squeeze out the excess moisture because this doesn't give off lint or fibers like a tissue would. But I'm literally just going to squeeze the excess water out. You can tell they already look a little bit better. And then I'm gonna look in the mirror and use my mascara wand. This is the only time I actually lose them. But they go back to being fluffy and clean and light again. So it's super easy. Okay guys, so excuse the freckles and redness because I am legit makeup free, but I just went and got my fill. We did a lot more volume lashes, which are the thicker ones, because I told her, like, I wanted to make sure I like them, but I was like, I'm used to wearing lashes, so like we can go big, we can go glam, we can go full, we can go long. And so we did a lot thicker this time, a lot more volume lashes, and they look fucking bomb. I love them. And she said we can just continue to go thicker until I find the thickness I like. But I mean, these look really good right now. They literally look like falsies, which is what I wanted. So I'm super excited about this. I already realized I could have gone longer. I could have gone longer than the 2 weeks I went. I probably could have gone at least 3 or 4, but I wanted them thicker. It was my first time. It was my first fill. So this time I'm going to push it to 3 weeks. See if, because they're a little bit thicker, I should be able to go a little bit longer. I honestly didn't need a fill today. I just wanted them to be more. So this time we set up my fill for 3 weeks, and I'm going to see how that goes. And then if that's okay, like, I'll probably push it to 4 weeks, but I'm still loving these fucking lashes. So I wanted to wrap this video up by giving you guys a look at what these lashes look like with an actual like full face done, because I don't think I did the one in this video yet. The videos were so like spaced out I couldn't remember if I did or not. So I wanted to end this video showing you guys. So I have to work today, so I do a little bit more of a full face. I don't usually do this on an everyday basis, but as you guys can see, this is with mascara on them. So it does amp them up. It does make them look like a little more glam, and it gives them just like a little bit more I don't know what else to say. I don't know what other word to use. So I am still obsessed with these lashes. I've had them for over a month now, and I have not felt the urge to put on a pair of strips once, because day to day they're perfect, they're natural, they're great. I don't have to put any makeup on really. And then when I want a more glam look, I can just put a little bit of water-based mascara on the ends, and it upgrades, and it just kind of up levels them to a more glam look effortlessly. I just make sure I get the mascara off when I take off my makeup. I use micellar water, and I'm just really careful, but it is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you a little bit more info about lash extensions, my first time getting them, and how to maintain and take care of them. If you guys have any questions at all, put them down in the comments on YouTube, and I always do my best to respond to your questions ASAP as much as I can to help. But I have officially fallen in love with lash extensions, and I probably will plan on having these for a long time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about lash extensions, and also your favorite tips and tricks to maintain them, anything with cleaning, what products you guys like to use. I love my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys are following me on social media. That is where I am the most active, especially on Instagram. Make sure you guys also check out my podcast on iTunes and Stitcher. I love my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and I will also have some other videos for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say right now. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.